So this website, shufflebuddy.com, I believe will be a huge help for you as you start this new school year. So let me just show you how this works. So you'll click on Open Editor and you'll see Create Class. I already have an example class I'll show you here in a minute. So you go and click Create Class and it will allow you to arrange how you want your tables and desks to look in your classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Layout. And you can move these desks how you want. You can just see it's simple, just click and move. And let's say there's a desk you don't want. Once it's highlighted, you'll see here, delete one desk. And then over here, you can see you can add desk if you want. So you can go ahead and save your layout how you'd like. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you my example class. And you'll see I've already put in a bunch of names of some NBA players and family members of mine and friends. So then if you, down here you'll see add students. You can just click and you can add as many students as you need. And then over here you have the shuffle button. So you click it and you can see the names move around every time. But let me show you the magic in this site. So the magic in this site is where it says rules right here. So let me go ahead and click it. And you can see here, now we all have kids that probably shouldn't be sitting next to each other in class. And so you can make the rules. You can see here, I have my wife's name and her best friend. They definitely shouldn't be sitting next to each other. And then I have my nephew and my brother, and them two definitely shouldn't be sitting together. So, and you can add as many rules, and so you can see keep apart rule, and then I would just go ahead down here. I'm just going to select the first three. So you can select as many people that shouldn't be sitting next to each other as you want. And then down here, you'll see tag rules. So this is where, like, we have like IEPs where, you know, like our kids need to sit in the front of the classroom, and so you can create a tag. So you can click here, it says set up tags, and over here you can start doing that, and then, or excuse me, tag rule. There we go. And so you can add the names of the students to that rule. So let's say John, you know, in his IEP says that he needs to be in the front of the classroom. So this will make sure that when you create your classroom list, that, or you create your classroom seating chart, that John will always be in one of these front of the classroom seats here. So you can see here, they're labeled FOC. And then I'm going to go back. So now that you kind of see the magic of it all, go back to it, click on my example class, and now I click shuffle. You can see, you know, Emily and her best friend are not sitting together at all. And John there, who's supposed to be in the front of the classroom, there he is right there. And yeah, so you know, having a seating chart is you know, pretty key at the beginning of the year to manage behaviors in the classroom. And so this site just makes it super easy. It may take you 5 minutes to get all the names typed in and kind of get your rules set up. And then you can just shuffle this and set it up how you like. And you should be good to go with your seating charts and helping with your classroom management as the school year begins. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And I appreciate you all watching.